Welcome everyone. In today's episode of 100-second Photoshop, we'll learn to make your own photography signature for free. First of all, you have to download some of your favorite fonts. I will give some links to download. The links will be in the description. First of all, go to the text tool and type in your name. Select all of them and change the font. In my case, I like the font name Hollyman. I think this will be like in this in uppercase. There is a long space between that. To reduce that, I will press Alt and the left arrow key, another text layer, and type PHOTOG. Now change the font something like Art RAPHY. Then press OK. Now place it according to your size. I think I have to reduce the size a little more. Now line 2 and draw a line. By the way, I was pressing shift to the line to be straight. Double click and click stroke. Opacity or stroke. Let's reduce that stroke about 1 pixel. That's okay. Now and Control T. Move it a little bit. Yeah. Now restore image. Then I will take a selection tool in photography size. Then just click backspace to delete that. That's all.